Like, subscribe, and share.
Hi, this is Mary. Welcome to my kitchen. It's chilly outside, so we're in the mood for soup. So I'm making an Italian vegetable soup today. It's got Italian sausage. Get a pound. I'll put the recipe down in the comments. I'm putting onions, celery, and Italian sausage in there. A half cup each onion, celery, and a pound of sausage. And I'm going to mix this up. I'm sure the original recipe probably called like for Johnsonsville or something like that. But while I was shopping the other day, I found some rolls of Jimmy Dean sausage that were Italian sausage. I've bought that before and it's really good. So right now I just need to stir this and let the sausage cook and the onions and celery brown. So you put a lid on that and I'll see you back in a few. Okay, now that that's brown, I'm going to put a tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic in there. Putting a can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. Can of tomato sauce. Two cups of water. I really wish you guys could smell this because it's already starting to smell so good. I've got a bag of chopped spinach to put in there. And a bag of riced cauliflower. I need to put 4 teaspoons of the granulated beef bouillon. You could use beef stock, better than bouillon, beef cubes. But this is what I have, so this is what I'm using today. And also I need to put a tablespoon of tomato paste. So now we stir this up good. We're going to put a lid on it. We're going to reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 20 or 25 minutes until the spinach and the cauliflower get done. So I will show that to you in a minute, but doesn't that look good so far? All right, that's really looking good there. It smells really good too. What do you think? Give it a taste here. It's super hot. That's good. It says salt and pepper to taste. For my taste, I don't want any more salt. We don't use a lot of salt. Put a little bit of pepper in there, and that ought to be perfect. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. Also, if you have any requests for any other recipes, please leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to make it. And we can also try to convert normal recipes into keto recipes. That's what I've been doing for the last several months. And it's really made a difference in our lives. So, you guys have a good one. See you on the next video.
Like, subscribe, and share.